This is my kitchen box drawer. Been working on it for a while, and I've optimized it as a carpenter and a cook. So first we have the sink with space for soap or whatnot. With a drain hole. And then over here we have the stove, which you can lift out and put on top or cook in there. And then we have another platform for storage of cooking utensils. And then as a cook, I want my spices right by me. And then of course over here, we have storage for everything else. Canned food, propane, whatnot. Fully collapsible, and it stores. So that's what I've been working on.